This poem is by Eleanor McLeod. It's called Christmas Tree.
We've just brought home the Christmas tree. It's standing in its pot. Here come the decorations now, so let's see what we've got. First of all come the fairy lights, all twinkling in a row. Next some tinsel, silvery white, sparkling like glistening snow. Then there are shining golden balls, reflecting Christmas cheer, and shimmering glass drops, delicate as bright and crystal tears. We've bows and bells and strings of beads, and on the topmost bough a lovely dazzling Christmas star. Our tree is finished now, and underneath we'll put the gifts to open one by one. How our lovely Christmas tree will smile to see our joy and fun.